Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to take screenshot without buttons on iPhone with iOS 26. So to do this, and as you know, the easiest way to take a screenshot on your iPhone is by clicking on the power buttons and also clicking on the volume up button like this, and it will take a screenshot. But sometimes I don't know if your volume button is not working or something like that. There is some methods to take it without the use of the buttons. So to do this, first of all, you can use Siri, and you can do it by asking Siri to take a screenshot for you. Of course, I can't do it now because I'm already using the microphone to record. Or also you can do it by going to settings, and after that accessibility, and after that touch, and after that activate like assistive touch. You can activate it like this, and you can like customize it. If you do like a single tap, it will like, let me look for it, look for screenshot. Sorry, let's look for it. Screenshot. You can choose screenshot, and like that, when you single tap on the assistive touch, it will take a screenshot for you like you have seen now. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.